Hello, I am Khushbu. Given question is followed by two statements A and B. Answer the question using the following instructions. A set of 4 instructions has been given, which is followed by the question, how far is it from town A to town B? Town C is 12 miles east of town A. Statement A is town C is south of town B, and statement B is it is 9 miles from town B to town C. If we take statement A, we know the direction of town B with respect to town C, but the distance is unknown. Hence, we cannot determine the distance between town A and town B. In statement B, though we know the distance, direction is unknown. But if we combine both these statements, we know that these 3 towns form a right angle triangle. With sides as 9 miles and 12 miles. Using Pythagorean theorem, we can determine the hypotenuse, which is the required distance between town A and town B, which comes out to be 15 miles. Therefore, we need combination of both these statements to answer the question. So the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Given question is followed by 2 statements A and B. Answer the question using the following instructions. A set of 4 instructions has been given, which is followed by the question, let x be a real number. Is the modulus of x less than 3? Statement A is x into x plus 3 is less than 0, and statement B is x into x minus 3 is greater than 0. From statement A, we have x into x plus 3 is less than 0, which implies that x is less than 0 and x plus 3 is greater than 0, or x is greater than minus 3. This implies that modulus of x is less than 3. So statement A alone is sufficient. From statement B, we have x into x minus 3 is greater than 0. This implies that x is greater than 0 and x is greater than 3, or x is less than 0 and x is less than 3. This statement does not give a unique answer. Therefore, only statement A is sufficient to answer the question. So, the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Given question is followed by 2 statements A and B. Answer the question using the following instructions. A set of 4 instructions has been given, which is followed by the question, 2 trains run between cities A and B. They leave from cities A and B at the same time, running at constant speeds, and cross each other for the first time at 75 kilometers from A. What is the distance between A and B? The trains never cross one another, running in the same direction. Statement A is they cross each other for the third time at 35 kilometers from A without halting at any of these stations. And statement B is they spend 1 hour upon reaching A or B before turning back. From statement A, we know that the trains do not halt at any of the stations. And also, trains always cross each other traveling in the opposite direction, because it has been given that trains never cross one another running in the same direction. Therefore, we have the distance travelled by the trains is proportional to the time taken. When they cross first time together, they cover a distance equal to the distance AB. When they meet the second time, together they have travelled 3 times AB. And when they meet for the third time, together they travel 5 times AB. That is, the first train has covered 375 kilometers, which is also equal to twice the distance AB plus 35 kilometers. This gives the distance AB as 170 kilometers. Statement A alone is sufficient to find the length of the route. Statement B does not give any useful information. Hence, the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. Given question is followed by 2 statements A and B. Answer the question using the following instructions. A set of 4 instructions has been given, which is followed by the question: if A and A dash are straight lines, find Y. Statement A is x is equal to 100 and statement B is x and Y together form a supplementary pair. Now, since it has been given that A and A dash are straight lines, we have x plus y equal to 180 degrees, because straight line forms an angle of 180 degrees. If we use statement A, we have x is equal to 100 degrees, therefore y will be 80 degrees. So statement A alone is sufficient. From statement B, we have x and y together form supplementary pair, that is x plus y is 180 degrees, but this is not sufficient to find out y. So the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you.
Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, mark your answer as 1 if question can be answered by using statement A alone and not by using B alone. 2 if question can be answered by statement B alone but not by using A alone. 3 if question can be answered by using other statements alone. 4 if question can be answered by using both the statements together but not by other statement. Question is, triangle PQR as angle PRQ equal to 90 degrees. What is the value of PR plus RQ? A. Diameter of an inscribed circle of a triangle PQR is 10 cm. B. Diameter of circumscribed circle of a triangle PQR is equal to 18 cm. The solution is statement A nor B alone is sufficient because statement A gives information about the inscribed triangle of a circle and statement B gives information about the circumscribed triangle. So both the statements are not sufficient because we have to find out the value of PR plus RQ, which is not possible from both the statements. Therefore, answer is fourth. Thank you.